Hey guys, Victor from Victor G Photography, and today I'm actually going to be showing you a behind the scenes shoot of a wedding that I just did recently in San Francisco at their city hall. Their city hall is not like any other city hall that I've ever been to. This thing is so ornate and decorated incredibly. There's marble everywhere. It's just one of those storybook areas that people go to all over the country just to take photos, and luckily they do a lot of elopements there. Now, I do a lot of photography, not just modeling and portfolio work. I do a lot of weddings as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing more wedding work, just let me know in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to show you all. Other than that, check out the video and let me know what you think. So that was the video. What do you guys think of it? Like I said, City Hall is incredible, and we actually lucked out today because there was very little people there. Usually there are a ton of people getting married, as well as family, and just the overall run of tourists that come in just to take photos there. So we got really lucky that day, and there was barely anybody there, so we were able to get some really good one-on-one shots without anybody in our backgrounds ruining the images and causing me to do a lot of Photoshop to try to get them out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button. I really love seeing the numbers go up, and then it lets me know that I'm actually making a difference and making something that you guys want to see. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.